Alright, so today when I wake up, I notice some members in Telegram group, they kind of have this AntBot issue. Okay, the bot is cut loss some of their positions. So I think this is happening because of Bitcoin is flying through the roof, guys. Look at this chart. Okay, now I noticed this happened twice. Okay, let me show you. It happens to me as well. If I go to my record here, and if I show you the take profit, you will see down here I have some minus. Okay, you can see it happened today, and this is 8:40. So which is in my time is in the morning. So I will show you some screenshot from other members as well. And you can see this is the screenshot from other members. And you can see at the same time, guys, 80:40. Okay, so this is when exactly the market was going up like crazy, and I think the bot is overload. Okay, and I don't know if it's the bot or it is on Binance side. Now this happened also on other exchanges like OKEx. Now this is happened twice, guys. Okay, it happened twice. It happened also back then in March 23rd. Okay, you can see here, this is in 1 minute chart. Look at the spike and look at the wick. It was so volatile in 1 minute, guys. This is in split seconds. Okay, the volatility. So I think this caused some issue with the API. I also chat the AntBot support, and they also get back to me that they say, I thought it was maintaining error, maintenance error, and then they said it is an API interface server on Binance side has a network blockage. So I think this is one of the issue, guys, the network blockage when you API binding, right, between Binance and AntBot, and might be a delay or there is a blockage. So something is happening, and this could be an issue for the bot to take profit at loss, or probably they cut loss it to protect your funds. Now, if you watch my videos recently, I told you if you want to reduce high floating loss and if you want to avoid high floating loss, you should choose coin with low base order. Now, if you have low floating loss, it is very unlikely, you will have big minus. You can see my minus is only minus $3. I see some people even minus a few $100s, guys, which is crazy. Their position must be very, very big. Okay, so try to do your own money management and be careful with high base order coins. Now, if you're afraid, right? If you want to do a manual instead of using a bot, you can actually do a manual averaging. I already show you here how averaging works on Binance. I teach you how you can do manual averaging. So this is one of the solutions to fix it if you are worried. Okay, if you're worried, so you can go to home right here. You can go to API key and you can unbind it. Okay, you can unbind AntBot with your exchange. Okay, you can delete it, you can unbind it, or you can delete it on your Binance site. So that's one of the way if you want to do manual trading. Okay, you can go back to your Binance, and again this is you must have some experience in Binance Futures. So you gotta see the chart, right? You can look at the chart and see, okay, so the chart is going up, and you need to wait. You need to know the support and resistance, and you can do your own averaging, guys. Again, I'll put a video right here. You can go watch it. Essentially, you must watch all my videos. Okay, I told you, you must understand how Binance Futures work. So in case of this is happening, okay, when the bot have an error or something, you can manual fix it. Okay, you can manual fix it. You can unbind it, or you can do your own trading. Again, at the end of the day, guys, this bot is helping us trade. Okay, the bot is helping us trade. You know, if the bot has some problem, then we need to do our own manual averaging, and we need to take profit manually. So at least you must understand the basic operation, how to do that. And I already teach you in video number 7. Okay, I even show you the result of manual trading. Okay, manual trading, not using a bot. I think this is one of the biggest risks of using bot. You know, when they have this kind of error, when the market like very volatile, and then the bot just couldn't cope with it, or maybe it's not the bot fault, maybe it's the, you know, the API side things, you know, between the exchanges and the bot. So I don't really know what's going on. Hopefully they can fix it, but that is just my speculation, guys. And probably that makes sense, right? Every time, okay, twice already it happens, and this same thing, it always happens when the market suddenly pump like this. And I still wouldn't change my opinion, guys. The bot still is very good, and it just helps you trade with a lot of coins. And then it also have this function where it has, okay, they have this function. It can detect a rapidly rising or falling market, and it will multiply your price. Okay, I think the features is awesome, and I just wish they fix this and tell us what's happening, right? Is it really the API blockage? Is this their server is too, you know, is too laggy, or maybe they need to upgrade their server or their cloud storage or something? You know, we just need to wait for the clarification. But at the end of the day, guys, we as a user, right? Again, this is definitely a risky investment. Okay, this is not investment, guys. This is trading. Okay, Binance Futures trading is always risky, and you need to be careful. Okay, you need to be careful. Okay, don't put a lot of money in it. You can see, as I show you, right, the return is insane, guys. Okay, the return is out of this world. What comes with this kind of high return, it comes with high risk as well, and you must be able to manage those risks. If you cannot manage those risks, if you are very scared, then don't play it. Okay, go back to spot. Okay, go back to spot is much safer. Obviously with this, you must be prepared with the risk.